How fast are jumping spiders? 120.65 plus or minus 28 body lengths per second. 50 millimeters, about 10 body lengths, 0.67 meters per second. 336 meters per minute, 20 kilometers per hour. If this is hard to visualize, I got you covered at the end of this video. There are more than 4,000 species of jumping spiders in the world, 300 of them in the U.S. They help us by eating lots of bugs. For those of you that love jumping spiders, did you know people raise them as pets? For more on that, I have links in the description. On a more personal note, if you want to become a YouTuber, I highly recommend Think Media. I've learned so much from them for free. God bless them. I met Eli in one of their events from the 2 Wild Boys channels. They are some good people. Check them out. Also, I have links for many great jumping spider videos, one of which has my hero, David Attenborough. Alright, you want to know how fast a jumping spider is? Jumping spider, they attack each other all the time. And even when a male has sex with a female, most of the time she'll turn around and eat him right afterwards. So this is typical. So he attacks this other spider, and it happens so fast, all you see is like a blur. So I show you a SLO-Mo version of it, where boom, he hits the spider web, and he goes back down, he swings around, and then comes back up. And here it is again. He goes down, then he comes down again and swings back up. That's how fast the jumping spiders are.